Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily clean up some hard drive space on your Windows machine using the built-in disk cleanup. There is other third-party software out there that you can download and use, such as CCleaner, but using disk cleanup is super fast, and since it's built into Windows, you don't have to go and download any additional software. I personally run disk cleanup on my machines about once a week. To do this, type in the search bar at the bottom of your screen, disk cleanup, and choose or hit enter when it appears in the results. Once disk cleanup opens, it'll run and calculate how much space can be cleaned up from your machine. Go through the list here and choose what you'd like to remove. I usually keep everything selected, but that's up to you. If you want to go even further, you can then choose clean up system files and let that calculate. The only thing that you want to keep in mind when you choose this option is there's a selection that you may want to leave alone. I don't have the option inside of my disk cleanup, but you might, and it's called Windows ESD installation files. It may be a decent size if you have it in here, but these files are used when you're resetting your PC back to factory default. So if you're really low on space and you have to delete them, just know that resetting your PC in the future will be a bit more of a hassle, as you'll need a Windows Repair USB or disk. When you've selected everything that you want to delete, hit OK and then delete files. Depending on the size of the space that you're cleaning up, this might take a few minutes, but when it's finished, the program will close and you'll be done. And that's how you can quickly and easily free up hard drive space using disk cleanup inside of Windows. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.